decided by the basketball gods, falling the Pelicans' way.
You have to, Mark. You have to give yourself an opportunity to.
Folks, we're experiencing an earthquake right now.
Whoa, yes, we are.
Can you feel the earth below you?
Yes, I can. And
in
they're going to stop the game here, Mark, right?
Just yesterday. And we can feel tremors here in the building. The score clock is shifting ever so slightly.
So people are heading to the exits as we speak. Scoreboard above midcourt was moving quite significantly a couple of minutes ago.
It has stopped beneath us.
Yes.
But the score clock and other objects here at Thomas and Mack continue to sway, including the scoreboard
and the
big speakers up above us. And it's going to be interesting to see what transpires here with 7:53 to go in the third quarter.
You can see a lot of the stands starting to vacate. They're going up the